Welcome to Sims. I am Juliana. In this video, I will introduce you to our LMS. Open Scope developed Sims, which is a comprehensive school information management system that meets the needs of all types of schools. Through our LMS, easily engage parents, students, teachers, supervisors, and school administration together. Sims automatically integrates all data between the school system and the LMS, providing you with access to many features. As a parent, when you open the school LMS and log in with the username and password provided by the school, you will find the menu to navigate LMS functions on the side. On the top, you will find icons to your profile, live chatting, and interface language. You can change the interface language by clicking on the language desired. In the first page, you will be presented with two options. The first option is to navigate to the dashboard, where you will see all the recent updates. The second option is a direct link to your children's online classes. When you click on the dashboard, you will see brief details of all your children as their legal guardian. If you find any of your children missing, kindly contact the school administration to link the missing children to your account. The dashboard is divided into widgets. In the notification widget, you will find all notification for your children. You can filter with a specific notification category. System will keep up to 100 notifications only. Additional notifications and general notification will be deleted automatically after 60 days. The Course Updates widget will display latest course updates. You can filter with a specific update type like content, assignments, or quizzes, or you can filter with specific subject like updates for math, English, and so on. In the Recent Messages widget, you will find the most recent 25 messages. The total number of unseen messages is shown on the top corner. The Important Files and Links widget, you will find files and links like school regulations, uniform code. In the Calendar widget, you will find the school events, important dates, and events related to your children combined in one location. In the Recent Posts widget, you will find latest school announcements and posts. For such posts, you can comment and interact with it. In case of announcements, the commenting option might not be available. In this part, we will introduce the internal messaging system between parents, teachers, and the school. On the side, you will find your inbox, sent, marked, important, and trash folders. In the top left, tap New Message to create a new message. New Message button will be visible only in the official working hours set by the school. When you click on New Message, type your subject. In the To box, you will find all the teachers, supervisors, and stage heads of your children. You can select one or more people to send them a message. You can also search by name or title or subject to find the intended teacher. You can do upload up to 10 files per email. You can easily drag and drop and browse the files you want to send. Each file can be up to 10 megabits in size. Type your message and click Send. In this part, we will introduce the calendar. Here you will find the school calendar. You will see all school events, exams, and holidays related to your children. You can change the calendar view from the month view to a week, or day, or list view. In this part, we will introduce student absence. You will find the recorded absence of your children combined in one list. If you choose one of your children by clicking on his picture, you will see only his attendance summary, his attendance details, and a list of his absence per day. You can add absence reason, as long as it is not overdue. The system will show you how many days left. Click on plus icon, select reason type, select dates, then type your reason, and attach reason file such as medical prescription and click Add. In this part, we will introduce how can you access your children's menu from your account. Simply click on My Children menu, click on his name. You will navigate to his dashboard containing this child's term summary, course updates, awards, his board of honors, weekly workload, and other widgets. You can navigate the student's menu from the top. When you hover your mouse, you will see a list of all menus. In this part, we will introduce how can you see and interact with student courses. After clicking on courses, you will be presented with all the courses related to this selected child. After clicking on a course, you will find in the course dashboard the course timetable, course updates, and course posts. You can navigate in using the tabs for the course details. You will find the weekly workload under the Planner tab. You will find all course material under the Content tab organized in a tree view according to the course. Same goes for assignments and quizzes. If you navigate to the Assignment tab, for example, you will find all the lesson assignments. Depending on the type of the assignment, you will be able to do certain functions. The hard copy in class will only display the assignment details and the due date, like solving in a workbook or a sheet, and then deliver it in class. For the copy online, you will have the option of submitting back a file to the teacher. For the solve online, you will have the Start Solve option, so you can solve the assignment online. Finally, under the Behavior tab, you will find the recorded behaviors for your child, both positive and negative, with the total behavior score. That's all for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next video.